क्या तुम तैयार हो? आर यू रेडी? आर यू रेडी? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? क्या हम यहाँ रुक सकते हैं? Can we stay here? Can we stay here? ये कितना पुराना है? How old is this? How old is this? तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? ये कहाँ रखा है? Where is this kept? Where is this kept? तुम अब कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? तुम्हें ये क्यों चाहिए? Why do you need this? Why do you need this? क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? ये कितना समय लेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? क्या तुमने उसे बताया? Did you tell her? Did you tell her? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see her? When did you see her? तुमने इसे कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? ये कब शुरू होगा? When will this start? When will this start? तुमने ये क्यों खरीदा? Why did you buy this? Why did you buy this? क्या तुमने उसे माफ किया? Did you forgive him? Did you forgive him? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? तुम कब सोओगे? When will you sleep? When will you sleep? ये किसने बनाया है? Who made this? Who made this? तुम कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming? When are you coming? क्या तुमने उसे मारा? Did you hit him? Did you hit him? तुम ये कैसे करोगे? How will you do this? How will you do this? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? ये कितना बड़ा है? How big is this? How big is this? तुम वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलोगे? Will you meet me? Will you meet me? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? तुम स्कूल कब जाओगे? When will you go to school? When will you go to school? क्या वो अभी सो रहा है? Is he sleeping now? Is he sleeping now? तुम्हें क्या मिल गया है? What have you found? What have you found? मुझे तुम्हारा उत्तर चाहिए. I need your answer. I need your answer. ये किसने तोड़ा? Who broke this? Who broke this? क्या हम अब बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk now? Can we talk now? तुमने ये क्यों फेंका? Why did you throw this? Why did you throw this? तुम कब खेलोगे? When will you play? When will you play? क्या हम वहां जा सकते हैं? Can we go there? Can we go there? तुमने ये कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep this? Where did you keep this? तुम कौन सी किताब पढ़ रहे हो? Which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? तुमने दरवाजा बंद किया? Did you close the door? Did you close the door? क्या वो तुम्हारी बहन है? Is she your sister? Is she your sister? तुम्हें पानी चाहिए? Do you need water? Do you need water? क्या हम इसे देख सकते हैं? Can we see this? Can we see this? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं बताते? Why don't you tell me? Why don't you tell me? ये किसने कहा था? Who said this? Who said this? तुम कब खाओगे? When will you eat? When will you eat? तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? ये कब तैयार होगा? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? क्या ये तुम्हारा बैग है? Is this your bag? Is this your bag? तुमने उसे फोन किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you go to sleep? When will you go to sleep? क्या वो सच में आया था? Did he really come? Did he really come? तुमने अपना काम किया? Did you do your work? Did you do your work? ये कौन से रंग का है? What color is this? What color is this? तुमने क्या सोचा था? What did you think? What did you think? क्या हम कल मिल सकते हैं? Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow? तुम कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? क्या तुमने किताब पढ़ी? Did you read the book? Did you read the book? तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you talk to? Whom did you talk to? तुमने ये क्यों खरीदा? Why did you buy this? Why did you buy this? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या तुम उसे देख सकते हो? Can you see him? Can you see him? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे हो? Whom are you going to meet? Whom are you going to meet? ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see him? When did you see him? ये किसने लिखा है? Who wrote this? Who wrote this? ये क्यों हो रहा है? What is happening here? What is happening here? क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you talk to? Whom did you talk to? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? तुमने ये कब बनाया? When did you make this? When did you make this? तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? तुम मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? तुमने इसे क्यों खोला? Why did you open it? Why did you open it? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Whom are you talking to? Whom are you talking to? तुमने ये कब भेजा? When did you send this? When did you send this? क्या तुम इसे लाए हो? Did you bring this? Did you bring this? ये किसके लिए भेजा गया है? Who is this sent for? Who is this sent for? तुमने ये कहाँ पढ़ा? Where did you read this? Where did you read this? तुम ये कब करोगे? When will you do this? When will you do this? क्या वो अभी आ रहा है? Is he coming now? Is he coming now? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम्हें अब क्या चाहिए? What do you need now? What do you need now? तुम किसके साथ आओगे? Who will you come with? Who will you come with? तुमने ये किससे सीखा? From whom did you learn this? From whom did you learn this? क्या वो कल आएगा? Will he come tomorrow? Will he come tomorrow? ये किसने भेजा है? Who sent this? Who sent this? तुम अब क्या करोगे? What will you do now? What will you do now? तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे थे? Whom were you waiting for? Whom were you waiting for? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? तुमने इसे क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave it? Why did you leave it? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? तुम किसे पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like? क्या तुम मुझे माफ करोगे? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? तुम कब तक आओगे? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? तुमने ये कब लिया? When did you take this? When did you take this? ये तुम्हारे लिए क्यों है? Why is this for you? Why is this for you? तुमने कब बात की? When did you talk? When did you talk? तुम अब कैसे हो? How are you now? How are you now? तुम क्या पूछना चाहते हो? What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask? तुम्हें किससे मदद चाहिए? Whom do you need to help from? Whom do you need to help from? ये इतना महंगा क्यों है? Why is this so expensive? Why is this so expensive? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? तुमने ये किससे लिया? From whom did you take this? From whom did you take this? क्या तुम उसे बुलाओगे? Will you call him? Will you call him? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? ये कब बनाया गया था? When was this made? When was this made? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे थे? Whom were you going to meet? Whom were you going to meet? क्या वो भी आ रहा है? Is he also coming? Is he also coming? तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you go to sleep? When will you go to sleep? ये कहाँ से आया है? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? तुमने ये क्यों रखा? Why did you keep this? Why did you keep this? क्या तुम इसे समझते हो? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? तुम अब क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking now? What are you thinking now? ये तुम्हारे लिए क्यों है? Why is this for you? Why is this for you? तुम कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? ये किसने कहा था? Who said this? Who said this? तुमने ये कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Whom were you talking to? Whom were you talking to? क्या ये तुम्हारा फोन है? Is this your phone? Is this your phone? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? तुमने उसे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call her? Why did you call her? तुम किससे डरते हो? Whom are you afraid of? Whom are you afraid of? क्या हम अब जा सकते हैं? Can we leave now? Can we leave now? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? तुम ये कैसे करोगे? How will you do this? How will you do this? क्या वो अभी आ रहा है? Is he coming now? Is he coming now? ये इतना मुश्किल क्यों है? Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।